In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos in ChatGPT, guiding you step by step through the process. If you've ever wanted to enhance your experience on ChatGPT by adding images, this tutorial is just for you. To begin, you'll need to head over to Google. This might seem very basic, but it's always a good starting point, especially if you want to be certain you're using the correct links and not some random website. Once on the Google homepage, you should make sure to type in ChatGPT in the search bar. This will help you locate the official website where you can perform all the tasks we're going to cover today. Now, once the search results are up, you'll want to click on the correct ChatGPT website from the list of search results. Ensure it's the official site so you don't get sidetracked or misled by unofficial sources. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you're one step closer to achieving your goal of uploading images. Now, search for the section on the site that says Add Photos and Files. This is the gateway to uploading your images into ChatGPT. You'll notice a button associated with this section. Clicking this button will open a browser window from which you can select the desired image or images you wish to upload. You might have to dig through your various folders and directories to find exactly what you're looking for, so having the images ready at hand can save time. After you've located your images and selected the ones you want to upload, they will start appearing in your ChatGPT interface. Depending on the number and size of the images, this process might take a few moments. Be patient and let them load properly. Having a strong internet connection can greatly assist this process, making it swift and seamless. Once your images are successfully uploaded, you might want to consider some editing before finalizing the process. Although the editing capabilities are limited on a platform primarily designed for text-based generation, playing around with whatever options are available might still give your content that extra flair needed to make your work stand out. At this point, you've successfully managed to navigate through Google, access the official ChatGPT platform, and upload your images. This simple guide should empower you to enhance your ChatGPT experience effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful and clear, don't hesitate to share it with others who might need the same assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy uploading!